What were you here for?
I was here for a manicure and a pedicure last week.
Okay, and why are you here today?
Oh, I wanted to speak to men, and I thought you were men.
Oh, no, I'm actually Kevin.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, you look a lot like men.
You know what? Asian people, we look alike. You know?
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of...
We get that a lot.
Well, you didn't have a hat on last week, so
Yeah, I don't know what happened to men, though. I don't know what happened to
You look
men.
just like men.
But, what can I do for you?
Well,
you need a service done?
No, not today, but I wanted to tell men what a great job he did and how much I appreciated it.
Oh.
And I wanted to book my daughter's wedding
Oh,
party.
really?
And all her,
How many people?
10.
10 people?
Yes, 10 people.
When do you need it by?
Oh, I just wanted to make the appointment because it's in a month.
Oh, okay.
But I wanted to make it now because
With men?
No, with men.
Oh, okay.
Because I was so happy with how he did my nails.
Oh, okay.
And so I thought, well, I told my daughter about you. And
Hey, check it out. Look over there.
Huh?
Hey, how you doing? I'm actually Min.
Oh, you're men.
Yeah, do you want it, what, 10 people for a wedding on their nails?